My name is Sikora. I'm head of facility at Clinical Genomics Gothenburg, and I'm head bioinformatician at Gothenburg University Hospital. Our mission is to do translational research and bring clinical research into clinical routine. We do clinical genomes and clinical exomes. We also do microbiology, so we do MRSA and HCV, for example, norovirus, and a couple of other whole genome sequences, where we do all the automated analysis through CLC. With NGS, you really can't use your own computer. So with the amounts of data you generate through a hospital, it's really too much. So you need to have a server and you need to have a centralized facility to process all the data, because it's a huge amount that comes out of NGS machines. It's thousands and thousands of times more than traditional Sanger sequencing, for example, or PCR. We use CLC Genomics server. We have a server linked to a cluster with centralized storage. And we also linked all our instruments to the cluster, so data is automatically downloaded from our instruments to the cluster and then automatically analyzed through CLC. And then we actually create reports that we're emailing to our clinicians. So all of that is automated for our routine care. There are two things, and the first thing is that we can actually put CLC in the hands of the molecular biologists and some of the clinicians, so they can actually go in there and look at their data themselves and do some minimal analysis if they want to. The other one is, especially with the server, where you can sort of integrate external applications, which means that you can take the CLC as a sort of a base platform, and then you can build on that and integrate other stuff that clinicians come to you and ask for. So we can add bleeding edge applications that for special purposes. We can add custom reporting, stuff like that. For Sweden, we're actually launching a Genomics Medicine Sweden project that's launching this year, which means that we're going to move NGS much more into the clinic. We're going to have more applications. We're going to do more whole genome sequencing for humans, which of course will have a tremendous impact on the amount of bioinformatics infrastructure we're going to need. So 5 years from now, we're actually at the peak of the Genomic Medicine Sweden project, where we're going to do 45,000 samples a year. And it's going to put a huge strain on the existing infrastructure. So we're going to have to sort of scale out and scale up.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.